Tribe. Tribe. Huang's World. Madventures. Cruise Ship Diaries. Never Late Never. Premiere 2016 Network, BC Genres TV Comedy. Dark Tourist. Dark Tourist. Around the World in 80 Treasures. Around the World in 80 Treasures. Travel Man 48 Hours In. Travel Man 48 Hours In. Expedition Unknown. Expedition Unknown. Around the World in 80 Ways. Premiered 2011 Network, the History Channel Genres TV. Couple Seasons. Premiered 2020 Network, Quibi Genres TV, Travel, Reality. Long Way Round. Premiered 2004 Network, Sky-owned Genres TV, Documentary, Reality Television. Crossing South. Premiered 2011 Network, PBS Genres TV, Travel Show. Bourdain Ramsay, Uncharted. Premiered 2019 Network, National Geographic Genres TV. Young, Broke, and Beautiful. Michael Palin's Hemingway Adventure. Down to Earth with Zac Efron. Down to Earth with Zac Efron. Journeys in India. Premiered 2012 Network, PBS Genres TV Documentary. Lonely Planet 6 Degrees. Lonely Planet 6 Degrees. Who's Traveler? Premiered 2014 Network, Travel Channel Genres TV, Reality TV, Travel. Three Sheets. Premiered 2006 Network, Spike, Fine Living Network, Travel Channel Genres TV, Special Interest, Reality Television. Not your average travel guide. Not your average travel guide. Travels to the Edge with Art Wolfe. Premiered 2007 Network, APT Genres TV, Special Interest Documentary. Pole to Pole. Pole to Pole. Raw Travel. Premiered October 2013 Network, Syndication Genres TV. The Getaway. Premiered 2013 Network, Esquire Genres TV, Travel Documentary. Samantha Brown's Great Weekend. Premiered 2008 Network, Travel Channel Genres TV, Special Interest, Reality, Adventure. The Amazing Race. The Amazing Race. Michael Palin, Round the World in 80 Days. Michael Palin, Round the World in 80 Days. Passport to Europe. Passport to Europe. Load Ready. Globe Trekker. Full Circle with Michael Palin. Full Circle with Michael Palin. Insomniac with Dave Attell. Dhani tackles the globe. The Layover. Bizarre Foods with Andrew Zimmern. Travels in Europe with Rick Steves. Premiere 1991 Network. Public Broadcasting Service Genres TV, Reality, Travel. The Thirsty Traveler. Premiere 2002 Network. Food Network Canada Genres TV, Special Interest Documentary. An Idiot Abroad. Premiere 2010 Network, Sky-owned Genres TV, Travel Documentary Comedy, Documentary More 67 of 106 The Best British Sitcoms of All Time 424 of 640 The Best TV Shows to Binge Watch 352 of 1322 The Best Guilty Pleasure TV Shows. Parts Unknown. Premiere 2013 Network, CNN Genres TV, Reality, Documentary, Food, Travel. Anthony Bourdain, No Reservations. Premiere 2005 Network, Travel Channel Genres TV. Departures. Premiere 2008 Network, OLN Genres TV, Documentary, Reality Television.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.